When is stenciling with ink a better choice than stenciling with paint? The stencil inks featured on our website work great on wood, metal, cardboard, paper, and most plastics. Traditional inks don't work well with stencils because they are designed to be absorbed, which leads to stencil bleeding. Stenciling ink is designed to be permanent and to stick to most porous and non-porous surfaces. Both setup and cleanup are much quicker with ink stenciling versus stenciling with paint. Paint works well for occasional stenciling, but ink is better for repeated use. There are no paint cans to open or stir, and little cleanup is required. Paint quickly builds up on the stencils, which are time-consuming to clean. Ink is much thinner, yet covers quickly and fully and takes less time to dry than paint. No masking is required, unlike with spray paint. Ink stenciling can easily be done in the middle of a busy warehouse. No need to worry about ventilation, masking, or open paint cans. Stencil inks are perfect for labeling packaging and shipping containers. They can be used to add logos, standard shipping symbols, and even addresses. Ink is more cost-effective. An ounce of ink covers more surface than an equal amount of paint, and much less is wasted during setup and cleanup. They can also be used to mark warehouse locations, wine crates, whiskey barrels, and wooden products of all types. We at Stencilease offer 3 different stencil ink systems depending on your volume of use. The low volume system includes a simple ink roller, ink pad, and ink. This is the least expensive, however, reloading the ink can add time for repeated use. The medium volume system includes the OneShot Ink Roller with plastic ink cartridge. There is no danger of spilling ink as the cartridge comes preloaded. Replacing these cartridges is a snap. This, however, can be expensive over time, so this might not be the best choice for high-volume jobs. The high-volume system includes the Marsh fountain roller, the handle of which is entirely made of metal. The handle never needs replacing and is refillable with Marsh Stencil ink. Once finished stenciling, simply cover the roller with the included plastic cover, and next time you'll be ready to go in a snap. Marsh Stencil ink is also available in a spray. There are some disadvantages to ink. Unlike with paint, ink colors are limited. Also, purchasing multiple rollers is recommended due to the time and effort required to clean them before switching to a different color. For more information, visit Stencilease.com today.